Hi guys. Okay, so we're still making holiday pies. And what I have here is I took my pumpkin, little small pumpkin, I split it in half. And what you want to do is take out all your seeds. Use your trusty heavy-duty metal spoon and scoop out all the insides. Now, you can save your seeds if you want. And what you do is when you pick up your seeds, just give them a little squeeze and they'll pretty easily come free from the meat. You take off what you want to save. Right? So you take off what you want to save, and what you do is get your sieve, throw your pumpkin seeds in there, and see how it's got the orange meat on there? Wash them. That's all you do. Put them under the water, swish them around in your sieve a little bit. And then you'll have nice clean pumpkin seeds. Then you just put them on a paper towel and set them up to dry. And by April or May, you'll be able to go out and plant them and have yourself your own fresh pumpkins come October. It takes about 7 months for them. If you live in a drier area, you're going to want to water your plant every day. Try to find a area where you get some shade as well as full sunlight, so that it doesn't burn the plant. If you live in a moisture area, like I live in Florida, then you'd want to water them at least every other day for about an hour if you don't have a lot of rain. Now when you scrape this out, you want to make sure you get all this dark, stringy orange stuff out. Get that orange, stringy meat out of there. And just take the tip of your spoon, scrape it all out. Now normally, I would sit and peel the pumpkin and then cut it in small slivers, small chunks, and put it in my pot of water. However, this skin is so tough and so hard. Always try to cut away from yourself in case your knife slips. You don't gut yourself. So what I'm going to do this go around, I've got a pot of water boiling. So I'm just going to put the quarters, all 4 of them, in my pot of boiling water and let them boil till they get soft. It's going to take about an hour for these. Now, I'm going to trade out my pot and use the one that I used for my sweet potatoes. Because this is a pressure cooker, so it will cook a little faster than a regular cooking pot, and I can add more water in it. And while the pumpkin is cooking, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make caramel pecan sticky buns. And don't worry, your pumpkin pieces are going to float. Okay, so that's it. You got your pumpkin cooking, and we'll be back in about an hour or so to check on the pumpkin.